What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from WellStar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the Vitamin C Liposomal from Quicksilver Scientific. Now, Quicksilver Scientific has been in the health and wellness industry for many years, and I thought they were a pretty high quality brand. So to be quite honest with you, I just bought this product because I needed vitamin C, and I thought, well, I'll just add it to my cart and check out online. And when I got the product, I looked at the back and I thought, okay, it's vitamin C from sodium ascorbate, 1,000 milligrams per serving, which is 1 teaspoon, and then 125 milligrams of sodium. Now, I was expecting something far better from this product, and I want to kind of break down what sodium ascorbate is for you. So sodium ascorbate is synthetic vitamin C. It is a buffered, non-acidic, so essentially better on the gut is my understanding, form of vitamin C that's produced through fermentation of glucose derived from corn. Now, mind you, most of this originates from USA grown GMO corn. Now, that doesn't mean that this is using GMO corn, but it doesn't say whether it's GMO corn or not. Now, it does say that the product is processed to remove all corn residues and proteins. With that being said, if it's GMO corn and it's removing all residues and proteins, I don't really know if it's doing a whole lot of good. So that's what the sort of formula is. Now, with that being said, it is mixed with sodium bicarbonate, which is basically baking soda, or sodium hydroxide, which is more gentle on the stomach, and they call it bioequivalent to natural vitamin C. So personally, I read that. Well, actually, I didn't even read that. I started taking the product first and foremost, and I was like, okay, how I tell how well a vitamin C supplement works. And by the way, vitamin C is the most researched antioxidant out of all nutrients, out of all antioxidants. So vitamin C is a great supplement to have in your routine. However, when I saw the back of this and that it was essentially synthetic vitamin C, after I started taking it, because I was taking it and I didn't really notice a difference. And for me, here's the best way to tell the quality of a vitamin C supplement besides the bottle itself. Besides understanding the formula and reading the back of the bottle, which is far more important than the front of the bottle, what I have noticed in my sort of testing mechanism is I take collagen. So I take all the various forms of collagen for joint health, hair, skin, tissue, nails, etc. And when I take collagen, vitamin C is one of the most important cofactor nutrients to improve collagen absorption, just so you know. So with that being said, I always take my vitamin C with my collagen at the same time. I'll take collagen powder, drink it, or pills, and then I take a vitamin C supplement at the same exact time. Now, I noticed my nails weren't growing any faster, my skin didn't look any healthier, and my hair wasn't growing faster when I was taking Quicksilver Scientific Vitamin C supplement. And I thought, that's strange. And it wasn't until I looked at the back of the bottle, I said, oh, sodium ascorbate. And then, as I shared with you, sodium ascorbate is a synthetic vitamin C that they call as a bioequivalent, meaning it's biologically the same as a real source of vitamin C from nature, which in my experience is the furthest thing from the truth. I would say this is not bioequivalent to anything that God made in nature that actually has vitamin C in it. This product honestly hasn't really done anything for me. My nails have not grown any faster. My skin hasn't healed faster from any bruises or scrapes or anything. And my hair hasn't grown any faster. Like, I've literally seen no change personally for myself. So, this product is like $33 for this little 4-ounce jar. And whenever I pour it in and use it, I'm probably doing a double dose. I'm not even kidding. So I'm taking a higher dose because this top, you just pour with that, and it's supposed to be like 1 teaspoon. And okay, maybe I'm doing a full dose, but I'm more than halfway through. I'm right there on the bottle, and I've had it like a week. So I'm even dosing higher, and it's just not doing anything for me. So I'm gonna be honest, I do not, like, this vitamin C supplement has a 4.5 star review on Amazon. I don't think it's that high at all. Like, these people haven't taken other vitamin C supplements that are real whole food sourced. The supplement that I do recommend for vitamin C that I'm gonna go back to after I finish this bottle, which is pretty much useless, like it's not really doing anything for me, is a company called Paleovalley. Their vitamin C supplement is in a capsule. It contains organic Acerola cherry, Camu berry, and Amla berry. There's no ascorbic acid. It's not synthetic, it's 100% whole food sourced. And I noticed that when I take their vitamin C supplement, which is literally the same price as this, by the way, and it has a 4.7 star review on Amazon. I notice my hair, skin, and nails grow faster and healthier. So I recommend Paleovalley's vitamin C supplement. I will link it up below. I actually have a link that gives you 15% off, so it'll make it cheaper than this. So stop using Quicksilver Scientific synthetic vitamin C. It really doesn't work that well. I'm very disappointed in this brand, frankly. I thought they were super high quality. I see them at a lot of biohacking and health conferences, and to see that they're using synthetic vitamin C that could be GMO derived, I don't know if it is, I'm not saying it is or it isn't. Even if it's not GMO derived, it's corn derived and it's a synthesized version of vitamin C, it does not absorb the same, I promise you. I've seen it in my hair, skin, and nails when I take Paleovalley's vitamin C supplement. So I'll link their supplement below to give you 15% off to actually make it cheaper than this one, and it simply works better. So that's it for this video. Vitamin C is good to have in your routine for immunity, gut health, hair, skin, and nails, tissue, and collagen absorption. And Paleovalley, in my opinion, has the best vitamin C supplement in the market. It simply works the best, and it just is 100% whole food sourced, which you can't beat what God created, period. Like, I haven't seen it. I don't think I'm ever gonna see it. And it just works better. So check it out in the comment sections. Once again, you get 15% off. And if you want to save and get deals and discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands, visit healthywildfree.com/shop in the comment section, and that'll give you discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands that I have personally vetted as a health and wellness coach. I'm not concerned about the front of the label or how sexy the marketing is. I'm concerned with the back of the label, the ingredients, and the other ingredients to ensure that the products I take are high quality. So I test them on myself as a guinea pig, but I also share with you and educate you on the ingredients in the formula and what is good and what is not. So subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below, questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.